Hi friends, I am Uday Sagar Kandpal and I am back here with yet another lecture on Java using NetBeans IDE. In the previous lectures we talked about string manipulation functions and string operations, and today I am yet here again with another string operation, that is to find if a given string is a rotation of another string or not. It's a very simple question, so we'll begin here right now by creating a function. But before that, I would ask to all my new viewers that please subscribe my channel and please like my video and comment and share, and do press the bell icon. Thank you. So let's begin. Public static boolean is rotation or not. So string to check and string from check. So the string to check would be the string which we will check for rotation, and from check will be the string which we will be checking, from which we will find out whether it's rotated or not. So what we will do is string concat equal to from check dot concat from check, and now return concat dot index of to check equal to -1 or not. So here concat.index of to check equal to -1 will give us will tell us whether this is inside or not. So equal to -1 means that to check is not inside the concatenation of the from check string. So we just need to reverse the condition here to this, and now we can simply call apple is fruit, and now we need to check whether fruit apple is a rotation or not. Is rotation, we need to check string 1 with 2, or we can say string 1 with string 2 in the reverse order. So we need to check whether the string 2 is the rotation of string 1 or not. So we'll pass string 2 here and string 1 here and just print this. So it is saying true. It is saying true because apple is fruit is a rotation apple is a rotation of apple is fruit. So we just rotated the part fruit from the end to the beginning. So yes, it is a rotation, and hence it is being shown. We have not made it case insensitive. So the different case or in the letter, that means the uppercase or the lower case, will differentiate a small fruit from a capital fruit as it is. So this is case insensitive in terms of, in fact it is case sensitive in terms of defining whether it's a different or not. So we have not made it case insensitive or case sensitive. Yeah, so that's it. This is the simplest code of how to check whether a string is a rotation of another string or not. This uses the inbuilt function concat, which will concatenate to string. The from check will be concatenated to from check. That means apple is fruit, apple is fruit. Apple is fruit will be concatenated or appended to apple is fruit. So the new string concat will become apple is fruit, apple is fruit. That's it for today. Thank you. Hope you liked my video. Bye bye.